What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video, an update, this Sunday morning update on Bitcoin. We'll talk about yesterday, we'll talk a bit about what could happen today, Sunday, and especially that kind of transition from Sunday to Monday usually is pretty volatile, so I'll tell you what's possible and what can happen. And just in general, we'll talk about Bitcoin. Also, the market structure has kind of changed since the last couple of days. So we'll talk about that, and hopefully at the end you have a full understanding of the opening, at least, of Bitcoin next week and what to expect. So before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals and join my signal trading group, this week is going pretty well. I think we have a win rate of over like 70%, so doing good. Last week as well. Then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join, both in the Telegram and the Discord group. All right, now onto Bitcoin. So as we already talked about yesterday, it's the weekend. It's usually not that volatile. Volume since yesterday has even dropped now 50%. I'm not sure, but we haven't seen these low volumes in a very long time. Oh wait, not that long of time. Beginning of March, but you can see that it's an anomaly if you compare it with the rest of this year. So yeah, altogether we've not been there's not been that much of volume, but there has been some volatility, especially in this very small range. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Range between 27,700 and this 50 EMA around, well, you could argue 27,250. That's where we kind of maneuvered in. I have to say altcoins actually reacted quite heavily to these drops and to these bullish movements. Just in general, altcoins right now are just not as strong as Bitcoin is. If we take a look at, for example, which hopefully we can quickly check that out. Yeah, if you take a look at the market cap dominance of Bitcoin, you can see that it's been going up steadily for a while now, which practically means that Bitcoin is outperforming altcoins. So, all right, on to today. As I said, Sunday and Monday morning, depends on where you live, but kind of that time span is usually pretty volatile. Markets open in Asia first, and that causes volatility, and people are all around the world. That's the beautiful thing about crypto. It's an open market. They start to chip in. So the last Sunday we were actually, I'm not sure, I thought we were quite bullish. Yeah, you can see that we were quite bullish, but we dropped back down from Sunday to Monday night immediately again. But overall we were bullish after that. So basically what you'll see today, and I'm just going to be honest, I'm not sure which way it will be, but what you'll probably see today at the end of today, so what is it, in about like 7 to 9 hours, you'll see volatility, you'll see momentum. And basically two things are possible. We can either break above 27,700. If that happens, we're very, very bullish. We'll get up to our next price target, around 28,500 again, and from there we'll see whether we can get up to 30,000, but that's certainly the most likely scenario if we get that bullish breakout. But on the other hand, what could also happen is that we get bearish momentum. And I really cannot, I mean, if I would have to make a judgment call, I would say the most likely scenario is that we break above 27,700 and be bullish. But to be honest, I mean, the chances of both scenarios are like 55 to 45%. So it's quite unpredictable, I think, in my eyes at least. Because what could also happen is that we get bearish momentum, then we'll drop down to 27,000 and 26,800. And if from there we do not get above to that level around 27,700 again. So for example, if we get up to 27,300 and find resistance again, there's a real chance that we'll drop down all the way to our next support level around $26,000. So as I said, I think the bullish scenario is a bit more likely given the market structure and the overall fundamentals of Bitcoin, but both are realistic and possible. So that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, enjoy your Sunday, enjoy your weekend, and take care.